Hey everyone, thank you for watching. This is Natsuo. I decided to add a new category on my channel, which is me and my dog's wellness. Wellness include fitness is my passion and I want to share with you. Although due to life conditions, sometimes I couldn't put our health as priority. But me and my son, Mini Schnauzer, we both are getting older. Yikes. We want to learn and try new things to make us happier and healthier. Oh, by the way, we welcomed new family, Mini Schnauzer mix, crazy ninja daughter. Oh my gosh, she's in trouble. Anyway, I will share healthy, easy food, wellness tips, and life with Schnauzers, trying out healthy things for their wellness. Today, we're gonna make Japanese basic meal. Rice, miso soup, and eggs. I've been eating brown rice almost 10 years. I think it's more than 10 years. And never get tired of it. Some people don't like it because the flavor itself, texture, and dryness. But brown rice has fiber, magnesium, niacin, and other vitamins, minerals compared to white rice. So if you can hang to it, I recommend it to eat that instead of white rice. So make sure you rinse and use good water, not faucet water, unless you live in a mountain and have a spring water, right? In addition to that, I add sea salt, flaxseed, turmeric, and honey for my honey. Of course, these has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, omega-3, and fiber, and I think chia seed has protein too. So everything is good. You know, these are my way, so it's not authentic or traditional Japanese way. So just to let you know, I don't want you to misunderstand. Okay, and the brown rice itself, nowadays it's improved. So it's not bad. So you should try out. Because before it was very, very dry. But nowadays it's not. And the rice is ready. Make sure you mix very well. But don't push or, smash it. You need to mix nicely, fluffy way. Miso soup. Today I'm gonna use spinach, dashi powder, dashi bag, miso paste, seaweed, and open sesame. Key of the miso soup is dashi. You cannot just dump miso paste in hot water, okay? Dashi is the key. It's just like chicken stocks and beef stock that brings the flavor. And also tofu. We normally have different types of tofu, but I'm going to use little firm one today. I like the firm one. Okay, so use the good water. Don't forget. And bring out, put the dashi bag and bring out to boil and maybe about 20 minutes. After that, you remove the dashi bag and add the dashi powder, tofu, and seaweed. You got it? Yes. And miso paste. There are different types of miso paste, but today I use the red one. I also like white one. White one is a little sweeter. And sesame seed. And of course spinach, because I had it today, so I added. So that doesn't mean you need to add everything, okay? Whatever you have at home, you can just add it, like green leaves or onion or whatever you like. You can try it out. Let's move to eggs. The way we make this egg is totally different from scrambled eggs or sunny side up. So if you learn how to make this way, maybe you're gonna impress your honey boo boo. This time we use dashi stock and sea salt. But some people use, instead of salt, make it sweeter and add sugar. So it's up to you how you want it. And I like spicy food, so I added chili in there. So it's up to you, whatever you want to put, try out and see how it's going to come out, right? So make sure you put a little bit of egg to make it thin layer and Today I had seaweed, nori, so I added inside. But if you have cheese or additional yummy stuff, you can put it. But it has to be thin. And make it roll, 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 and roll, and roll. To make it like a crepe. It's done. Looks good. Look. It's hot, so be careful when you cut it. Look, it looks like a crepe, right? You see the layers? When you put it in your mouth, it melts. It's so good. You know, the basic things, just like dashi stock and miso and eggs, these are must-have. But other stuff, you can substitute. You can try out with other vegetables and spices. Okay? So I want you to try it. Maybe your baby's gonna be happy and surprised how you cook.